Hi friends, good evening. God bless us all. Welcome to my video. Ang gagawin ko ngayon friends, try ko kantahin yung Love Heart by Nazareth kung hindi ba ako bumagsak. Kaya dumingan muna tayo friends ha. Love hearts, love scars, love wounds, enough to take a lot of pain, to take a lot of pain. Love is just a lie, it's burned away in his heart. Love hurts, oh, love hurts. Papagaw pala bagay dito friends. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Good night.